Why us? If you are an international group of companies, or if you are an international company who wants to bring their headquarters or set up a branch here in Cyprus, you definitely need reliable and very strong accountants and tax experts to assist you with the transit. This video is just for you, is to introduce ourselves. We are CYAUSE Audit Services, which stands for Cyprus Audit Services, and we are an audit and assurance firm here in Nicosia and in Limasol, servicing hundreds of international clients like yourself. We do this on a daily basis as we have companies from all over the world who either have their branches here in Cyprus, their headquarters, or even a small company with small operations and they are part of a bigger group. We are an audit and assurance firm which provides A to Z services to its international clients. From the incorporation of your company to the closing of the audit and the payment of the year-end taxes, Cyprus Audit Services is here to assist you either with your small routine tasks that take place on a monthly basis or with your more complex transactions where high advisory services are required. Our team of employees is heavily experienced. Some of them have more than 20 years of experience in the field, and they will assist you with the following services: accounting services, VAT returns, payroll services, year-end accounting, and once the accounting is being performed, our team of auditors will prepare for you the audited financial statements. It will discuss with you the tax obligations at the year-end, and of course will proceed with the filings of the relevant financial statements to the authorities and the tax returns. We are a truly international firm servicing clients from all over the world. Our association with the ICAACE, ACCA and the local ICAACE, as well as being members of the 3E Accounting Network and ACAACE, which are big international associations, ensure that our inflow of international clients is continuous, and this is something that we love. So we love what we do, we love tax, we love to minimize your tax exposure, we're very strong in accounting and audit. So why not try us? Give us a call on 00357 22336321 or send me an email directly at kt@cyprusaccountants.com.cy and we'll be more than happy to assist you.